Today we're gonna go over the tiger tail to loosen up those muscles, make you feel 100 times better, and make those muscles happy campers. Stay tuned. First, a little bit about the tiger tail. This is my #1 favorite tool in the history of the world. Ever since I was back doing athletic training at the University of Iowa, up through now when I am working out, we use it on Batman. My husband, who is in the Marine Corps for his physical fitness tests, I use it all the time with circus and or just regular online workouts. Just even honestly in everyday life where I have one of those tension headaches, I don't really want to take over-the-counter medication. I feel like this is just a muscle thing, and I use my tiger tail. Sometimes I even bring it to work with me if I like wake up with a crick in my neck. I'm like, oh yeah, sticking the tiger tail in the car. The reason why I like the tiger tail versus other muscle rollers is a lot of the other muscle rollers, especially the ones we used for athletes in college, had like little beads. Those are great for your legs and your glutes if you're wearing pants. Less great if you have hair. So like guys who would be wearing shorts and they have longer hair, or when you're on your neck. I personally prefer this tiger tail, which has a little bit more of like a foamy, it's like one thing. See if I can show you guys. So it's like one thing basically, and it's a little bit, it's not squishy, but it's a little bit softer, if you will, than like a plastic bead would be. I love the 18-inch one. It's perfect for me, especially kind of getting back on my neck, which I'll show you guys in a minute. If you have tight shoulder muscles, or like it's hard for you to kind of get back here, you might want the 21-inch one, which would be a little bit longer and it would compensate, so you'd get like here, so you wouldn't have to get your shoulders back as far in order to use your neck. It's totally up to you guys, but definitely 18 inches would be the smallest I would go. 21 inches if you're a little bit of a bigger person and or have limited shoulder mobility. So let's talk about where you would use this. My #1 favorite place to use it is on my neck. So basically you're gonna come back here and you're going to angle it. So this would be just straight back. This would be a little bit of an angle, because what you don't want to do is put it straight on your spinal processes, or basically the bony parts of your spine. You don't want it to be this way. You want it to be tilted just a little bit. Bring your head into flexion, and you're just gonna roll this out on all sides, so you get like a little bit above your ear. Go all the way on your head, you guys. That's like one of the biggest places that is missed, is like your muscles go all the way up onto this back part of your scalp. Oh yeah, that's the spot. So you want to get this whole area. You want it, and I do go a little bit, not fully straight, but just a little bit, so I can get those muscles that just sit on the side of your neck. So I'm just rolling the whole thing. If there's a specific spot that's really tough, you can kind of hook it in between your vertebrae a little bit. Like it's not like a huge ridge. I'm giving a little bit of pressure there and hold it there, because you can get some trigger points right in those areas. The next part you're gonna do is you're gonna get up in here. Like I want you guys to get up in this sternocleidomastoid, this meaty muscle, like this big chunkin' honker right here. I want you guys to get in there and roll this sucker out. Like this guy is like the bane of existence of modern life, because it's just like neck pain everywhere, forward head posture, throwing off the biomechanics of the neck. You just call it like the text neck muscle basically. Oh yeah. And that's gonna give you, like maybe you might even get some referred pain into the ear, all kinds of spots. So you really wanna just get this neck. Oh man, I feel like a new woman. I should do this every day. Then you're gonna go to the other side, right? Really even getting up under this chin and really right in front of, like right behind your ear, because that's, oh God, that's a good spot where, It's hard to talk because the sternocleidomastoid is such a monster. Right where the sternocleidomastoid kind of attaches, one of the spots,